Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pitch bend in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and get started with pitch bending in GarageBand. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the official audio recorder option right here. You can open up any of the instruments, but it works best with audio recorders, so we can go ahead and get directly to this recording screen, where as you can see at the top of the screen, we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to get started with recording our voice. So what you can do guys is go ahead and get started recording by clicking the circle, and after finishing your recording you'll be greeted by the effects right here. And now we can get started with adding the pitch bend effect. Basically guys, if you click this option right here for extreme tuning, you will see that you have the pitch control option. So at the left side screen you have the slider for the pitch control. So what you can do guys is to go ahead and manage it how much pitch you want. So as you can see, here's how you can bend your pitch as to whatever you prefer it, and then you can go ahead and test it out how it sounds until you get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.